We're gonna go over my two trades or the past 2 days that helped me get funded for 50K, and I also went live today, made $800, but it doesn't matter. So first of all, what is my strategy? The first thing is so market liquid zones basically means like 1 hour highs, 1 hour swing lows, 15-minute highs, 15-minute swing lows. This is all basic information that you guys should already be like understanding. Liquidity sweep sign sign of manufactured push. So in other words, um, have liquidity taken out, and then sometimes it showed me that it was fake and that we're going for a reverse move, for continue and the other way, and that's it. So trade number one. Here's trade number one. So first of all, looking at our zones. So 1 hour push here. Okay, all the way down. I just marked up the push that or the area that it was that where price previously pushed. Previous New York high. Next one. Okay. Previous high for New York was here, and then the previous low for New York was here. Going down to the 5 minute. Going down to the 5 minute. During keep in mind I'm LA time, and I live in LA, Bay Area, San Francisco. So that's why my time zones are kind of fucked up for you. But anyways, so here's a liquid. Here was a lot of volume. So 1040, and then as well as pre-market London. So I had that marked up because sometimes price reacts to that. And then before market started, London high was here and London low was here. Okay, anyways, so go let's go back towards 620 because that's normally when I wake up, and then I already have my analysis done on the chart. I make it so easy for myself. Any of these lines, I'm looking for SMT. Like everything that I talked about above, I just look for it to be at this zone. I don't want to be in the blank area. I'm not gonna enter in the blank. I'm not gonna enter in between these points. Okay, I want to make sure that price action is happening around the lines. Anyways, so with that being said, and knowing what my strategy is, which is very basic, then we're just gonna look. Okay, cool. So here we're at 619. Okay, dude, AR5. Okay, okay, market's going down. Keep in mind, nothing's happening near my zone. I don't give a fuck about anything in between. Okay. Okay, cool. So price breaks to the upside, and it breaks my two lines here. It breaks liquidity. Okay, cool. So normally normal traders in the past, they'll go ahead and probably like they'll probably start entering like longs right here since this is such a big like there's so much I don't know what it's called, bro. Order black, fucking value gap. I don't fucking care about that shit. I just know that people are taking buys here. So I'm not gonna take a buy on this shit because I know it's manufactured, bro. And if anything is manufactured, I'm just looking to see if this fucking low is gonna get broken. That way I can be like, oh, okay, that shit was fake. So the real move might be incoming. So anyways, I wasn't doing shit here. I wasn't looking for buys. I was just looking for like, all right, cool. Just give me my sign. All right, cool. So we keep going. Da, 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 da. Okay, price is fucking around. Price tries to break above, doesn't. Okay, price starts to break structure. Now, the reason why I'm not entering here on a sell, okay, even though it's like a change of market condition in like this little scalp, I don't care, bro. Like, in order for me to take a sell, I need this area to be in this push to be invalidated. Anyways, keep going. So I'm not doing anything. Okay, cool. So now price is like taking the low. Okay, it's going towards this area. But still, I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. It's not at one of my lines, okay? Like that's how fucking strict I am. I don't care that it took out this low, bro. Like I need my London low to be taken out. You know what I'm saying? So people were probably like entering sells, maybe entering buys around here. Fuck it, I don't care. All right, just keep it fucking simple. All right, so see, price fucking breaks, breaks. You know what I'm saying? And then fucking it just breaks below. Anyways, let's go back. Hold on, wait. So, what the fuck is it doing? Anyways, so here's what happened. Here's when my trade occurred. Okay, so price broke below. Okay, it broke London low and then just closed. Okay, uh, and then next candle, um, it went down and then went back up here. Okay, cool. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, cool. This it's about 7 a.m. right now. That is normally the time where manipulation is done and we might do a real push. Okay, I've been trading Nasdaq for a long time and I've been looking at the charts and it does this shit, bro. Like if if you know Nasdaq, it does this shit, bro. Like it'll fake one way and then two ways. Like you know what I'm saying? So you got to keep that in mind. Anyways, I have this 7860 level coming out. If price after this candle, I was like, oh shit. If price goes above this wick again, and it goes towards the 79 area, I think market condition might switch. Because here's the thing: it took upside liquidity, and it took downside liquidity here, so it could be a big push upwards. Okay, so next candle, price goes down again. Okay, but is it gonna break? That's what I was waiting for. Is it gonna break or not? Price closes above the tick again, and it's getting towards that 79 area. So what I ended up doing was I was like, okay, let me just wait because in the next 30 seconds or so, like something might happen. Even though the candle closed right here, I saw price action over here and I was like, you know what, fuck this. I'm just gonna fucking do it. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, boom. And I put my low like right here. And then my targets were gonna be London high. Just something easy. Okay. We're not out here to fucking bottom tick and shit. We wanna fucking just take profits 1 to 1. I don't give a fuck. Anyways, so fucking took that here and I was like, all right, fuck it. Okay. I'm risking about like 33%, 40% of my account. Fuck it. I know what I'm doing. Okay, cool. So what happens next is price completely closes above the previous candle wick. Okay. And it's just like, all right, this is barbecue chicken from here. Because this whole black push, bro, it's manufactured. It's fucking manufactured. Look at we're closing above the 79% of it. Like, come on, bro. Anyways, so I just wait. Price goes up. Da 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 da. Okay, big black candle, big black KBBC. However, okay, I was moving my stop loss above. However, that was my invalidation point. I don't give a fuck what the candle looks like, and if it's in the opposite of my direction. If it doesn't break my push, which was right around this area, see this candle. If it doesn't break that, I don't give a fuck. I'm staying in. All right, no break even bullshit. Anyways, okay, boom, bullish engulfing, and here's what happened. Oh wait, did it not close? Actually, yeah. It fucks my take profit in the pussy. Easy money. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay? 2 minutes. That's all it takes is liquidity to get swept. And if you enter in the opposite direction because of a change of market structure, you will get fucking easy, quick profits. Okay, guys, this was the first trade. $1,500 on my 50K. Boom, done. Okay, so this was actually my second trade. I'm on the wrong fucking thing. Let's go to the second or the first trade that I took. Okay, so same thing, guys. Same thing. I just mark out 1 hour highs, London low, 15-minute swing low, previous self-explanatory bullshit. I don't need to show you guys. I just need to tell you like what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. Anyways, so as always, we are at around 6:20 when I wake up. Okay. And then so keep in mind, like I said again, we're only looking at these areas, okay? We're only looking at these areas. I'm not looking to fucking trade any of this bullshit in between. I'm not looking to be in no man's land, all right? So, anyways, on this day, I ended up entering at 7 a.m. and then closing out at 7:15. Okay, cool. So price came up, go down, da, da, da. Um, the reason why I didn't take this buy is because I'm still looking. I was still looking for this whole black push to like have market structure broken. Okay, and when I say broken, I mean like I want a candle to close above. That was just my intuition at the time. Okay. Sometimes, guys, you don't really need to have a candle close. Like right here, you don't need to have the candle close to have a bias. But in this scenario, bro, a lot of liquidity was taken. It was one big push, another big push, and then another big push. And I was like, wait a minute, three times a charm. I'm gonna fucking go. So just it comes with market experience, bro. On God. Anyways, even though this wick was above, it didn't close. I was like, nah, 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 nah. We're not doing that shit because it was only one push and up. There has to be something else, bro. Anyways, price is just fucking around here. It's not at my zone, so I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what's okay. Here we go. This is good. This is good. This is good. So price went down. Okay, and it's continuing. The reason why I'm not taking a sell is because the reason why I'm not taking a sell right here. The reason why I'm not taking a sell right here. Okay, so price broke the low and it went back up for a retest, so it might go down. The reason why I'm not taking that shit is because if I took that shit, right? If I took it right here or like at this retest, I have to put my stop loss above these highs just to invalidate myself. And then I have to worry about an NY volume point. Are you kidding me? 25 points or 33 points for 25? I don't want that shit. That's not even a 1-to-1. I have shit to worry about, bro. So no, this is not worth it. And if the price continues to fall down, fuck it. I don't give a fuck about long-term 1 hour long-term candles. I'm here to fucking get in, get out. So I don't give a fuck about catching a wave or a trend. Anyways, let's keep going. So price continues to fuck people in the ass, and I kind of felt bad, of course, because of FOMO, right? FOMO is a legit psychological factor. Psychological, fuck me. Okay, price comes up. Okay, da 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 da. Okay, give me some. Okay, here, price goes down again. Fuck it. I'm feeling in that moment. I'm feeling FOMO, but at the same time, that's not how I fucking roll, bro. I don't give a fuck about this trend shit. I'm not this is not fucking day one of learning stocks, okay, bro? Trend is not your friend in this game anymore. The trend is not your friend. The fake outs are your friend, bro. Anyways, so price is in this area. Okay. Fuck, I want to keep this under it's been 15 minutes already. This is too long. Alright, so new low. Okay, boom. So it created a new low. Okay, let's see what happens. Da-da-da. I'm looking. It's price fucking around right now. Okay, boom. See this right here? What I was looking at right here was like, okay, hold on. Wait. Not only did we break NY on this liquidity push right here, but we also just made a new low wick wise. Okay. We could have kept going lower. We could have retested here and just kept going to the swing low. That kind of showed me in the time I was like, you know what? I think the strength for sell side is gone. On top of that, we're near the 79 area. So I was thinking like, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Same explanation up here. Okay. One push, two push, three push. Same thing here. I was like, all right, one push here, two push, and three push. Maybe the fourth one might be a reversal, and this might be a true upside move. Okay. Because that's how the market's been moving. That's my experience. It does waves of manipulation sometimes. Sometimes it's not just a one and done, fucker and done. It's three waves or four waves, and the reversal is going to be strong, or it's going to have enough volume for you to close out on a lot of profit within 10 minutes. That's why I like trading this way. It's quick. It's anyways. So I entered in. What time did I enter in? I entered in at 7 o'clock. So I didn't enter here for some reason. Okay, here. Okay, this is where. Okay, this is something to talk about. This is something to talk about. Because look, we had a push down and we created a new low. Okay, but now we have a bullish price upwards, guys. Upwards. We have a bullish price upwards. We have a bullish price upwards. In my mind now, I'm like, oh my god, this is a really good setup. 3 market liquidity pushes within 30 minutes, and we just reversed. And we just broke. We we just did a V-shape formation. Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay. So one, two, three, four. Where's 659? Okay, 659. I was buying around here. Where was I buying at? I was buying at I was buying at 530. So I was like, where's 530 at? 530. So 530, 630. Okay, so I was buying around 530. So I was buying around this area. Stops right here, and then I was targeting London low as well as liquidity right here. All that shit right there. And we'll just play this out. Remember, guys, if this is not broken, I don't give a fuck what's happening. And boom, done. Of course, when market gets higher, you want to move your stop loss to below, but that's how I pass my account in 2 days. Um that's basically how I trade. Listen to Dahlin, listen to what we're saying. This all comes from, you know, experience. Peace.